Let's solve this together. It says AB plus C is equal to 2020 and A plus B is equal to 2021. We're going to solve for A, B, and C in this equation. Okay. First thing we can do here is to say, call this equation 1, call this equation 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, so equation 2 minus equation 1 will give us, we have A minus AB plus BC minus C is equal to 1, which statement is 1 minus 2020. Okay. Moving on from here, we now have that A into 1 minus B plus, okay, C into what B minus 1 rather, okay, is equal to 1. Okay, you can rearrange this so that we have minus A into B minus 1 plus C into B minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now you can now see that you can factorize so that we have that C minus A into B minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now we'll factorize this problem. Now you can see that this is the two things multiplying to give us 1. When two things are multiplying to give us 1, it's either that the first one is 1 and the second one is 1, or the first one is minus 1 and the second one is minus 1. Okay, because we have that 1 is equal to 1 times 1, or is equal to minus 1 times minus 1. Okay, so these are the two things that are multiplied to give us 4. Now, where do you go from here? We can now say that it's either that C minus A is equal to 1 and B minus 1 is equal to 1, or we have C minus A, okay, sorry for this, C minus A is equal to negative 1 and B minus 1 is equal to negative 1. Okay, from here now, we can see from equation 2, or from the second equation here, we have that B is equal to 2. Okay, and for this side, we have that B is equal to 0. Okay, so it's either that B is equal to 2 or B is equal to 0 from here. Now, moving on from here, we can now say that since from here, from this left hand side, we can say that C is equal to 1 plus A. Okay, now if C is equal to 1 plus A, let's now say in equation 1, for example, make C 1 plus A, we have A, B plus 1 plus A is equal to 2020. Okay, now what's our B? Our B is 2. So we have that 2A, okay, plus A. So from here now, dividing both sides by 3, we have that our A is equal to 673. Okay, so when B is equal to 2, A is 673. Now let's find the answer for C. Recall that when B is equal to 2, C is equal to 1 plus A. Okay, so for our C here, will now be equal to 673 plus 1, which is 674. Okay, so the first set of answers we have is that A is equal to 673, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 674. Okay, so these are the first set of answers we have. Now let's find the second set of answers we are going to have using the right side of this expression. Okay, considering the right side of this expression, we have C minus A is equal to negative 1 and B is equal to 0. When B is equal to 0, if we put B as 0 in equation 2, we have that A is equal to 2021. Okay, then if we put B as the same 0 in equation 1, we have that C is equal to 2020. Okay, so invariably what you're going to have is that for the second pair of answers, we have A is 2021, C is 2020, and B is equal to 0. Okay, so these are the two sets of answers for our problem on the board. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.